Hello, everyone. This is the most magnificent bird, Beak, speaking to you today. And in today's video, I'm back at it with some more Batman Arkham City. And this is going to be part 4 of this playthrough. And we're going to pick up from where we left off last time, which we had to destroy those signal communicators that was blocking our way into the museum. So now that we took care of that in the last part, we're now starting at the very beginning of the museum, and I put up a poll of the two suits between the Batman Arkham City suit and the Batman Beyond Batman suit, and man, that poll was very close, but the Batman Arkham City suit ended up winning the poll. And just because it was so close, what I'll do, I'll switch between the Arkham City and the Batman Beyond Batman suit. I'll switch between them in every part. So I wasn't expecting it to be that close with that many votes, so that's what I'll definitely do. So part 4, here we go. Let's not waste any more time, shall we? Let's go ahead and try to stop Penguin. First, we got to take care of this. That way we can actually get in here. Dinosaur? Yeah. So right now, as you can see, I have the Arkham City suit on, but the next part I'll switch with the Beyond Batman, the Batman Beyond Batman suit. I'll do that every part. Nice. Trying to jump scare me.
I'll need to unleash a series of quick, focused attacks to penetrate his defenses.
Oh, great. And he's got a knife, too.
I said I'm not telling you. Batman!
You're safe for now.
Thank God.
You may want to hold off on thanking him until after you've answered my question. Who are you?
Sorry, man. I'm a cop. Gordon sent us in here. I'm from the 13th Precinct, part of the strike team. Been in here since the beginning.
If Gordon sent you, you'll know the code.
Oh, yeah. He said, oh, man, what was it?
The code. Now.
It's Sarah. He said to tell you the code is Sarah.
You're safe, officer.
It's Jones, Batman. Elvis Jones.
Gordon always said he planned on sending your team in.
Yeah, he wanted to know what was going on in here. I guess we found out. There were 10 of us. Hopefully, still are.
I told Gordon it was too dangerous to send you in. Stay here. If the rest of your team is alive, I'll find them.
All right, now we have to rescue Mr. Freeze from Penguin. Plus, we have to rescue the remaining undercover GCPD officers as well. All right, let's get to it. I wonder, can we collect that trophy now, or is that something? Okay, I see. Alright, that's something we'll have to worry about later.
I could use a remote-controlled batarang to trigger switches that are out of reach.
Right. Okay, first, is there anything important in here? There is. Oh, that looks like Penguin, maybe. And his family, perhaps. I thought maybe that would have been a Riddler clue, but perhaps not.
Help me!
I wouldn't do that if I was you. Show them what we got.
Oh, Mr. Hammer's brother.
So, Batman, you here for the cops, the Iceman, or me?
All of you.
I was only here for Freeze and the hostages. But now, I'm taking you down too.
Ooh, aren't you scary?
You're about to find out.
Am I really? Listen, I'm what you might call a collector. If someone wants it, I like to think I've got it. And if I don't have it, I'll get it. So here's the thing. Back there I've got a cabinet with your name on it, just waiting to be filled. And, as luck would have it, here you are, standing just where I want you. So, what do you think? Are you gonna be a good boy and give up nicely?
You're not giving orders here anymore, Cobblepot.
I was hoping you'd say that. Look around you. This horrible bunch of psychopaths are all begging to join up with me. But unfortunately for them, I only take the best. And today, best means whoever can kill you. Come on out, lads. It's initiation time.
Poor guy just got wrecked.
Carter! 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 What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do again, man?
You weren't supposed to do that, Batman. You're forcing me to bring out the big guns. Oh, he doesn't look happy to see you, Batman. Good luck.
Come on now. There we go. What you gonna do? That's what I thought. You ain't gonna do shit. Okay, now let's see.
I found Penguin.
And Mr. Freeze, have you located the cure yet?
Not yet. The situation is worse than I thought. Penguin has a supply of the Titan formula.
He's got what? How did he get Titan off Arkham Island? What's going on here? Your suit's bio readings are spiking.
Nice of you to join us, Oracle. Alfred, bring Barbara up to speed.
Of course.
But
I'll be in touch.
Okay, I'm pretty sure we have to use the remote controlled batarang on something in this area. I'm almost definitely sure about that. It might be this other side here. Yep, it looks like it. There we go. Nothing that way. I think we have to go this way. Hold on. Let's bring this back down. Yeah, I'm almost certain we have to go this way. Terrors of the Deep. Yep, I remember this part. Penguin has the whole lake frozen. He has this whole area frozen.
Stay where I can see you, Batman. You wouldn't believe the fight the old snowman put up. Still, I got what I wanted. That's all that matters. Hold still, boy. No! No! When you're done in here, feel free to join me in the Iceberg Lounge so I can kick your ass again. Enjoy the popsicle.
Oh, what a pun.
Please, help.
Stealing Mr. Freeze's puns now, are we?
The ice looks unstable. I need to move slowly. Take my time.
Over here, please.
Yeah, I remember this part. We gotta go real slow, like. Otherwise, there will be this shark that will come up and, yeah, will finish us off. Yeah, no lie. He's got a shark
Hold on.
under the water there.
You should be safe here.
Thank you.
Are you from the 13th precinct? Where's the rest of your team?
There are two more guys in this room. Penguin froze them up, then went after me. I ran and... well, I guess you saw what happened.
I'll get them. You wait here and try to warm up.
Okay, let me check the map. I'm pretty sure there's only 2. Okay, so we got 3 in that room, 2 in this room, and just 2 right here. Uh-oh. Let me not move so fast. Oh, yeah. See, there's the shark.
Sorry, Batman. Did I forget to mention my little friend down there? Me, Tiny. Who'd have thought a big fish could be so useful? Not me, that's for sure. He's like a mobile garbage truck. Whatever I drop in that tank just vanishes. Oof. Problem gone.
For some reason, I thought the shark's name was Tony. I don't know why I thought that, but man, what a name, Tiny. Okay.
Cold. Where did Penguin get that gun?
He stole it from Mr. Freeze. I'm getting it back.
Please!
Stay here for now.
No problem, sir. There are more of us.
If they're still alive, I'll find them.
Okay, we'll go in this room because I believe this is the room with 3 of the officers. So we'll go in here first. Oh, great.
They're using thermal imaging headsets. Anyone wearing them will be able to spot me hiding up in the darkness.
No worries, Mr. Cobblepot. We've got it covered. Freeze's suit is in the case. I'm looking at it now.
You better, son. Batman's on the way, and the last time I saw him, he didn't look very happy.
He's not getting past me and the boys, sir. The suit is safe.
Tell the boys there's an extra 100 grand in it for whoever brings him in alive.
Very generous, sir. Consider it done. Listen up. Penguin wants to... I'll cover the bridge!
Oh, you want to hide in the dark? Good luck!
Not on that one.
Where did he go?
We need to get rid of these guys with the goggles. Otherwise, they're going to be a
Where's he
problem.
gone? Someone tell me where he is!
We got one more with the goggles.
What are you mucking me about? Fight him!
You heard the Penguin! Move it!
There's someone here!
Let's see if I can sneak up behind him.
This is no good. He won't wake up.
Good. Alright. We shouldn't have any more with the goggles in this room.
How does he keep doing this? What's going on? Shut the hell up. We need to keep looking or we're all dead. What's wrong? You too scared to show yourself?
I've lost one of you idiots. Let's end it there.
You heard what the Penguin said, right?
Alright.
Got another one down over here!
Okay, so let's see.
Hey, wake up, man. Come on, wake up.
Yep, let's get you next.
Stay quiet, and you'll stay safe.
Grenade!
I didn't mean to... Okay, wait a minute. Alright, we're good. I hope we're good. Yeah, we
Here's the plan. We spread out, we find the son of a bitch. Got it?
only 3 of them left. Okay. That one's all by himself downstairs.
One of Penguin's crew has taken that cop hostage. The only way to save him is to make sure his captors don't see me.
So we got 2 left. Oh, great.
Come any closer. You hear me? I'll kill the hostage. I mean it.
I'm running out of patience. You're running out of people. Let's see what runs out first.
Penguin gave an order.
Uh-oh, yeah, we gotta be careful. He's got a hostage there. So we're gonna have to take out the other one first. Perfect. That works. Now we gotta time this pretty carefully. Otherwise, I gotta wait till he's turns around the other way. There we go. Got him.
What's happening today? Have you not stopped Batman yet? What about Freeze's suit? Answer me!
I saw you clear the room. It's awesome work, man. The name's Tom. Tom Miller.
You're part of Gordon's strike team. I've seen your file.
You have? I mean, yes, sir. Cobblepot's turned this place into a fortress. Someone ratted us out. Me and the boys got grabbed, brought here, and beaten the crap out of.
You're safe now. There are just 2 more of you unaccounted for.
Have you tried the Iceberg Lounge? Cobblepot like to take us in there to beat us up some more. If we're lucky, that's where they are. Okay, listen up. In case you didn't notice, Batman just saved our asses.
No sign of Freeze, just his suit. He can't survive without it. I need to find him before it's too late.
Okay, now let's go find Freeze.
Grab guns, hold up here until Batman finds the rest of the squad. Get our payback. Michaels?
We gotta level up. Alright. Let's level up the ballistics armor. Sure. Get that evened out. Alright, now I'm pretty sure we have to go straight across to find Freeze. Oh, no, not that. There we go. This is the only part that slows this mission down for me, is having to walk across this, but I'd rather do it than risk, you know, failing on this part.
Come on, Batman. We're right here.
Do you need your mommy?
Hey, what's he doing? He's got some kind of computer thing.
Reptile, maybe? Reptilian? Okay.
How'd he do that? You said he couldn't get through.
Shut up and hit him.
Alright, well, come on, princesses. Ah, there's Mr. Freeze.
Surely no introduction is necessary. A prize-winning cryogenic scientist pushed to the edge of sanity by a desire to help his poor, dying wife. Or an old man captured by me and stuck on a grill. This one's just waiting for the clown's girlfriend to show up. She'll be good for minutes of entertainment before I cut her head off.
Alright. Let's see, what is that? Oh, another one of those Titan formula tanks. We can get rid of that too while we're here. Great. Alright, Mr. Hammer's brother.
I shall slice you into pieces, American. Why won't you die?
Ow. Wow. You had to really throw something. Okay.
Shall kill you.
Microwave? Is that the word? Probably, yep.
Joker's cure. Where is it?
Forget the clown. I want Cobblepot. He has my suit, my weapons. I'll end him for what he's done to me.
Penguin's mine. You need to stay focused on that cure, or innocent people will die.
You don't understand. I cannot complete my work without it. I must have it. Everything depends on it. Everything.
Penguin is protecting himself with your ice gun. How do I get past it?
Do I look like a fool? Why would I tell you that?
Because if I can't get past it, I won't help you get your suit. Think about it, Victor. You don't look well. If you're gone, what will happen to Nora?
Leave my wife out of this, Batman. Don't let this situation fool you. We are not friends. No!
Today is not a good day to push me, Victor.
Stop! There's a security override chip I built into the suit to stop anyone using my weapons against me.
How did that work out for you?
Why don't you go get the security override and figure out a way to stop him yourself?
It's been a pleasure, Victor. Keep thinking about that cure. I'll get you your suit back.
You know, if there's one villain that I feel a little bit of sympathy for, Batman villains that is, I think that would be Mr. Freeze, just a little bit. I mean, you know, just like any of the other Batman villains, he's done terrible stuff as well, but how, you know, the situation of...
It looks like the ice is beginning to thaw.
The situation, you know, what happened to his wife and, like, what happened to him. Like I said, if there's any Batman villain I feel...
Batman, can you hear me? Of course you can. Thought you'd like a little entertainment to go along with the ice skating. Tell him your name, son. Yeah? Screw you. Oh, this piggy's still got some life in him. Good. Let
Oh.
What do you know? His whole bloody hand explodes.
Okay, now the reason we had to come back in this room is because we got to get past Mr. Freeze's gun, which Penguin has possession of.
So that's the famous freeze suit.
Unfortunately.
Oh, what are you doing?
When I leave here, wait 10 minutes. Then get this over to Freeze. He won't be dangerous.
No problem, Batman.
Now that will override and jam Mr. Freeze's gun, and you'll see in a moment we will need it. But yeah, like I was saying, if there's any Batman villain I feel even the tiny bit sympathy for, it would be Mr. Freeze. More so than any of the other Batman villains, just a tiny bit. Just because of the situation of what happened to his wife, Nora. And how she's got to stay frozen to, you know, his quest to try to keep her alive, and she's got to be frozen. That's the only way that she could even still be alive. Now let's go confront Penguin.
I know it's you.
Yep, see, we're gonna have to wait, get close to him, and when we get closer to him, we'll have to jam, we'll be able to jam the gun when we get closer to him. Which we've already halfway made it now, so.
Piss off, Annie. I'll tell you what, Batman. I'll give you this one for free. Come and have a go.
I'm too far
If
away.
you're scared.
The override won't work this far away.
Okay, try now.
Come on, fire, damn you!
There we go, that's Penguin dealt with, just like that.
You're finished, Cobblepot.
No, I'm sorry. Please, don't hurt me.
I can't guarantee that.
Me neither. Oh! I tried to help you, Batman. I gave you the opportunity to end this and walk away, but oh no. You had to be the big man. Well, guess what? From up here, you look pretty small. Oh, don't look so sad. I've got a little surprise for you down there.
Solomon Grundy, born on a Monday, Christened on Tuesday, married on Wednesday.
I found him down there when I bought this place. Comes in handy. What the hell are you doing? Enough with the bloody explosives! I mean it! No! What the hell are you doing? Oh, you're asking for it now. Let's see how much that ugly son of a bitch can take.
Yeah, of course, Penguin has to have someone fight his battle for him. Oh, this is where it gets a little bit harder.
Didn't it? Good job, that bug is immortal.
Damn it.
No!
There we go. Oh, I see what I was... Okay.
Stop that!
Damn it. Whatever them little things are on the ground, damn it.
What have you done? You little... You can't kill him! You can't!
I don't know. Let's try to finish him and see.
Well, what do you know? You really can't kill that bastard!
We gotta get out of here. There we go. Damn it.
Those things are antiques! Leave them alone!
Ah, crap. Damn it. No, you know what? The second one wasn't so bad. This is absolutely the worst.
Stop that!
Well, come down here and fight me like a man then. Damn it. Stop. We got it. We got it. Alright, there we go. That should be the last of this. I really don't know if he can be killed or not. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe that killed him actually.
Boy, just you and me left. The bat versus the bird.
Now you're gonna come down here and you got a damn rocket launcher? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. You're so done. So done.
Where is Cobblepot?
Well, look who it is. Mr. Free...
Enough. Freeze! Enough!
Of course.
You will regret what you did, Mr. Cobblepot.
The cure, Freeze.
There isn't one.
What?
Perhaps I should elaborate. Creating an antidote to the disease that afflicts the clown was easy. Unfortunately, the cure degrades too quickly. It needs a restorative element, some kind of reforming enzyme. Without it, it breaks down before it can help its host.
I've seen this before.
Finding a suitable enzyme is not the only problem. It needs to be adapted, bonded to human DNA. That will take decades. Time, it appears, you do not have.
What if I told you I know a man who's been exposed to that enzyme for centuries?
What man?
His name is Ra's al Ghul.
Bring him to me. All I need is a sample of his blood. It is your only hope.
Ra's al Ghul is dead.
Then you and the clown are doomed.
But he can come back.
Not exactly. I need someone to tell me where the body is. Then I can go wake him up.
Blasphemer! You are not worthy to speak of the great Ra's al Ghul.
You are a fool, Batman. You've let your only hope escape.
No, Victor. If Ra's al Ghul is in Arkham City, I now have a trail right to him.
Alright, let's see if Penguin's got anything to say. I don't know, maybe.
This isn't over.
It is from where I'm standing.
I'm a patient man. I can wait. I'll take all this back. Just wait and see. The joke is definitely on these losers. Tell me, what do I need to do to stop you sending these goons into my home, Joker? Kill you?
Let's see if Mr. Freeze has anything to say.
Are you sure this man can provide the missing ingredient?
I've met Ra's al Ghul many times. He claims to be over 600 years old. And I believe him. Which means something is keeping him alive.
Let us hope you are correct, Batman. After all, your life depends on it.
So, yeah, it looks like we're going to be tracking down Ra's al Ghul, or in the game they call him Ra's al Ghul. I'm going to call him Ra's al Ghul because that's the name I know from Batman Begins. But, yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty good place to go ahead and stop it. And in this part, we stopped Penguin, we rescued Mr. Freeze, and we also potentially killed Solomon Grundy, and we rescued as many of those officers as we could. And yeah, in the next part, we're going to be tracking down Ra's al Ghul to find out exactly why he's over 600 years old. And there's a reason for it, which some of y'all might already know. Maybe some of y'all don't already know, but we'll find that out. If not in the next part, we'll find out soon after, depending on how fast we can get through that. So that's all I got for you guys for today. And I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and for your continued support. And I hope all of you are enjoying this series as much as I am. And I can't wait to get back into it. Maybe I'll have a part 5 this coming up weekend. I don't know, because Christmas is literally right around the corner, so no promises on another part this week, although I could squeeze in finding all the Riddler stuff during the weekend, because I do need to get to that on Arkham Asylum. I've only done technically 2 parts, but it was supposed to be 1 part, but a whole ordeal got messed up on that. But anyway, I don't know, maybe maybe Arkham Asylum or Arkham City. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a poll during the week and I'll ask you guys what you would rather see this weekend. I think I'll do that. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this series as much as I am. And I do thank each and every one of you for your support and your, just showing up, no matter how little or how long you watch these videos. And if you are enjoying it, hit that like button, share it, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'm gonna go away and fly back to my nest. I am Beak, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye, guys.